One historical highlight along the Illinois River Road is Dickson Mounds Museum. Located about 45 miles southwest of Peoria in Lewistown, the museum explores the world of the native people who lived in this bountiful land for thousands of years. The site is named for Don Dickson, who began to excavate the mounds on his family farm. Dickson left the burials and their artifacts in place for scientific study and opened the site to the public in 1927. The structure that stands on the site today was designed to resemble the cross-shaped ceremonial Indian building discovered just a short distance from the burial mounds. From the top floor observation deck, visitors can enjoy a panoramic view of the 235-acre complex. Inside the museum, permanent displays depict the history and development of the region from the Ice Age to the present. Artifacts, including tools, pottery, and an almost complete canoe, give visitors insight into how Native Americans lived and the technology they possessed over time. Dickson Mounds is open daily from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. and admission is free. Glance into the past along the river, the Illinois River Road National Scenic Byway.